Hi guys, this is Justin Lake, and this is my Module 17 project, creating my data protocol. My first step is the necessary knowledge. And first, before I even get into it, this entire protocol will be following something similar to the CFIP model. So grade level teachers will be together, whether it be with a data coach, a principal, an assistant principal, and they will be working together as a team to make decisions not only for the kids in their own individual class, but also to offer information and ideas for kids that may not be in their own classroom. So the first step is necessary knowledge. Each grade level is going to determine what knowledge is necessary for them to advance to the next grade. Different skills, different information they need to know, and different abilities they need to have to move on from, say, 3rd grade to 4th grade and to be successful. The next step would be, how will we get there? So we will make a plan. Again, this is before kids are even there. How are we going to instruct? Are we going to do mostly group? Are we going to do mostly individual? Are we going to do both? How are we going to break it up? How are we going to practice these skills? Is it going to be all guided practice, some individual, or both? I like the idea of both for both of these situations. And obviously, what type of assessments are we going to use? How will we assess? Will we use formative assessments, summative assessments, and informal assessments? I'm a big fan of informal. I think informal takes the pressure off of a lot of kids who tend to struggle and shut down when they know the pressure's on. And you can get a little bit more of an accurate idea of where they are at, even though formative and summative are also necessary. How will we break down assessment data? Like I stated earlier, we will be using the CFIP format or something very similar to it. So clearly decisions will be made as a group regarding any interventions or changes in instruction. How will we use data? The most important thing to me as far as data is continuous improvement. I work in an elementary and a high school now. My high school principal does not really use continuous improvement throughout the school year. He looks at data from the previous school year and makes decisions to improve the next school year. Whereas my elementary teacher or principal uses something very similar to CFIP, and we are continuously improving throughout the year, making interventions, differentiating instruction, and individualizing learning for each student and their specific needs. Again, this is Justin Lake, and this is my Module 17 project over data protocol.